Hi, girls. I notice you typically leave around this time, so I'm just going to hang out here, catch you while you're on your way to work. You know what I mean? You could be nice and not make me wait. Girls. Really? You're gonna... It's Sharon again. I told you guys I'd stop by today. I don't get it. I feel like you guys are never home. Do you actually live here, or are you renting? Because the HOA contract, it does say we are not allowed to sublet. So actually, maybe I will look into that, because I have not seen your cars really all summer. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try again tomorrow. And they're not home. It's a Monday morning, and I can see their cat right now. I think we need to call animal control. I was here Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Their cat looks skinny and starving. They clearly do not live here. 1 second. Let me see. Hi, kitties. Are you okay? Or did your mom leave you? Okay. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Hello? Are you guys home? Hello? Okay, I really don't get it. I have now been here every day for a week, okay? I understand maybe you were working during the week. It's now Saturday, and it is 10:40 on a Saturday, so I'm gonna need you to answer the door, okay? I can see both your cars are home. Oh. It's Sharon from the HOA. I can wait. I can just wait here. I see both your cars. Your windows are open. I can wait. Hello? It's Sharon. Good morning. Oh, they have 2 cats. Okay, that's even worse. All right, we're going to keep playing games.